Now I am going to cover how to use the new affiliate profile page. First, go to Go High Level sub account, then click Marketing. Next, click Affiliate Manager, then Affiliate. It will open affiliate page. Here you can see the affiliate list. If you want, you can add a new affiliate by clicking Add button. I am clicking the existing affiliate. It will open affiliate detail page. You can see the affiliate name, email, and the joined date. Next, you can see the affiliate stat, revenue, vote, leads, and new customers. Then come to campaign. Here you can see all campaign information, commission summary, total unpaid, pending, denied, approved, payout summary, total paid, pending, approved, completed. Then individual campaign information. If you want, you can add a new campaign also. Next, commission block. Here you can see the commission information and referral link. Next, in the commission tab, you can see all the commission related information. Then leads tab, you can see all the leads related information. Then customers. Here you can see the list of customers. Next, you can see the list of payouts. Here you can see the sub affiliates. This is the way we can use the new affiliate profile page. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.